staying informed, it really shouldn't feel like another job, should it?
No, definitely not.
So we've done the digging for you. Today, we're taking a deep dive into how artificial intelligence is actually playing out across industries.
Right now, in 2025.
Exactly. We're using insights from some material dated April 26th, 2025, and our mission really is just to cut through the hype.
Yeah, get to the core of it.
What's really changing how businesses operate? Because, I mean, let's face it, AI isn't just a buzzword anymore.
Not at all. It's become this fundamental engine, hasn't it? Driving innovation everywhere. Healthcare, finance, manufacturing.
Retail, logistics,
Yeah.
the list goes on.
It really does. And it's not just theoretical. Take healthcare, for instance. What we're seeing is AI getting incredibly good at early disease detection.
How so?
Well, the algorithms analyzing medical images, their accuracy is becoming, well, comparable to human specialists for certain things. Think some types of cancer.
Oh,
And they might spot issues years earlier than we could before.
okay, that's huge. So it's not just faster, it's genuinely deeper insight, changing outcomes.
Precisely. And it goes beyond just spotting things. AI is crunching massive data sets, to tailor treatment plans.
Personalizing medicine.
Exactly. Imagine therapies designed specifically for your genetic makeup. Plus, there's the whole epidemic prediction side, analyzing global health data to forecast outbreaks.
That's being proactive on a whole different level.
Yeah.
Real public health impact.
Absolutely. Now, shift gears to finance. It's just as transformative, but maybe in different ways. Speed and scale.
Right. The report mentioned algorithms executing trades in milliseconds.
Milliseconds, yeah. Spotting tiny arbitrage windows that a human trader just couldn't see, let alone act on.
That's a different world. And it's not only the high-frequency trading, is it? Customer service, too.
Oh, definitely. Those AI chatbots, they're handling a huge chunk of customer queries now, 247, and with, well, pretty close to human accuracy sometimes.
So that statistic, like over 70% of financial institutions using AI.
It's not just a number. It shows how deeply embedded it is. Forecasting markets, preventing fraud, just making operations smoother behind the scenes. It's fundamental now.
Okay, finance is clearly deep in. What about manufacturing? Making physical things.
Yeah, big impact there too. AI is optimizing supply chains, predicting disruptions, managing inventory better. And on the factory floor itself, you've got these smart robots equipped with AI working alongside human teams.
So not just automation replacing people, but collaboration.
Sort of, yeah. They're improving quality control, using sophisticated sensors, handling tasks that are maybe repetitive or even dangerous for humans.
Right. Leading to faster production, maybe lower costs, and safer workplaces. That makes sense. That affects the products we actually buy.
It really does. And speaking of buying things, retail is another big one. AI is all about enhancing the customer experience.
Personalization, right.
And
like when a website just knows what you might like.
Exactly that. Virtual assistants offering tailored recommendations, sometimes even helping with checkout.
It makes shopping feel smoother, more relevant.
And behind the scenes, AI is predicting consumer demand, which helps stores manage their stock better, refine their marketing. It's about efficiency and relevance.
Creating a better journey overall. Okay, one more key area: logistics. Getting stuff from A to B.
Yeah, AI is completely reshaping that. Think autonomous vehicles, drones, they're becoming more common.
Still feels a bit sci-fi, but it's happening.
It is. And AI algorithms are optimizing delivery routes constantly in real time, finding the best way.
Which means faster deliveries, cheaper shipping.
Potentially all of that, yeah. More transparent supply chains, too. You know where your stuff is. It makes the whole system more efficient.
Okay, so pulling this all together, the picture from April 2025 is pretty clear. AI isn't just some tech trend.
No, it's foundational across all these major industries. It's driving efficiency, boosting capabilities.
And just opening up new ways of doing things.
And the expectation is, well, that this integration will only deepen, right? Especially as it merges with other new technologies.
So we've touched on healthcare earlier, more personalized care, finance super fast, more secure, manufacturing smarter, safer production, retail tailored experiences, logistics faster, leaner deliveries. A lot to digest there.
Definitely. It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah. How so?
Well, it prompts a question, really, for you listening. With AI becoming so deeply woven into the fabric of our economy, our daily lives, what are the broader implications you see?
What new possibilities, or maybe even new challenges or questions, does this rapid change bring up for you personally or for your work? Something to mull over.